What began as a general sheet metal business back in 1923 has evolved into one of the largest manufacturers of welding consumable storage ovens in the U.S. and the world. Keen Ovens. Proudly made in the USA, and more specific, in the south of Louisiana, just north of New Orleans in Hammond, Louisiana, the heart and home of Keen Ovens. Where among the magnolia trees and small-town charm, you'll find, like everything they do, it's the people that make Keen Ovens who they are. It was early on that Keen began manufacturing an extensive line of welding flux and welding electrode storage ovens. And as the product line grew, so did the number of loyal customers and distributors. Today, Keen welding ovens are used in the aerospace, construction, oil, nuclear, and marine industries. But what Keen has more recently become known for worldwide is their rapidly expanding custom-designed industrial preheat oven division. As a company, Keen thrives on the challenge that lies in the uniqueness of each customer's process, which requires the ability to listen, design, and customize each oven to perfectly suit your application. Customizing any of their ovens or designing new models from scratch. To this day, their goal remains the same: listen to the customer, satisfy their need swiftly, and maintain that hands-on, flexible manufacturing process that adapts well in the changing markets. For more information on the American-made Keen oven, or to find a Keen oven distributor near you, log on to keenovens.com or call today.